Not in the bench for the engine or the engine bay. Please, I beg you, please, please, please. Okay, so, and don't throw those tickets away until it's verified. We know that one. I'm keeping everybody on edge. We're coming up. We got people still walking. That's why I'm talking. 4, 3, 6. 4, 3, 6. If you don't have a 6, sorry. 4, 3, 6. We got a 4, 3, 6, 2. If you're not touching the bus, please back away. If you're not touching the bus, please back away. Everybody that's touching the bus, we got a 4, we got a 3, we got a 6, we got a 2, we got a 1. So we got a 4, we got a 3, we got a 6, we got a 2, we got a 1, we got a 4! We got a verify, do we have a bracelet? Do we have a bracelet? We do, we have a bracelet. We got a ticket. 4, 3, 6, 2, 1, 4, come on up to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a ticket. Can you please come onto the stage?
Yeah, that's a good spot, dude.
You're famous. You are famous. Come on up to the front of the stage. What's your name?
My name's Natalie.
Natalie is our winner. Where are you from, Natalie?
Phoenix.
And if I recall, I saw you holding your hand up, and this is your first Jerome Jamboree?
Yes.
Does that mean you'll be coming to more?
Yes.
Guess why? Why will you be coming to more?
I have a bus.
You have a bus! You have a bus! How old are you?
22.
And a teacher! Yes!
And next year's president of Arizona Law School.
Thank you.
There you go.